Another entrance to this building. Dang it. There's another entrance to this building. Here is the lift. Which floor are you going to?
2, please.
I'm going to 2. Thank you.
Filmmaker and the...
I'm filming the lift.
Okay.
It's a hobby of mine.
Oh, cool. Put it on YouTube?
Yeah.
Floor 2.
Oh, it's got the British voice.
Floor 2.
Sorry, I talked to you.
It's okay. Yeah. This is the lift. This is the other lift. It's got the UK voice.
Floor 0.
It's the British voice.
Floor 0.
Let's take it up again. It's got a rather basic interior. It's quite small. 675 kgs, 9 persons.
Floor 2.
2-speed door.
Floor 2.
So we're just going to take it back to ground one last time. Here we are back at
Floor
Here we are back at ground.
Floor 0.
I think this lift might be a replacement. There it goes. And that's it.